Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna check out top 3 best handheld shower head. Starting at number 3, Mon 26100 Engage Magnetics. All you've got to do is to move your handheld shower head near the main magnetic dock, and within no time, you will feel it snap into place and leave you with a seamless and effortless attachment. In addition to all these, the 2.5 gallons per minute shower head also comes with 6 functionalities that will give you a variety option when bathing, including the right pressure setup and design too. Inspired by patterns found in nature, it offers a distinctive design which is at home in any transitional decor. Gracious and uncomplicated style features give the Engage collection an ageless yet fashion-forward presence. Tailored yet relaxed, the Engage collection is an exercise in design balance. This lustrous collection works seamlessly with today's lifestyles. Check out the description for more information and latest price. Coming at number 2, Aquastorm by Hotel Spa 30 setting. Consequently, the different water mood are power rain, hydrating mist, pulsating massage, rain, massage, rain, mist, and water-saving economy rain. Likewise, the angle is also adjustable so you can imagine how comfortable the model is. In addition, this model is tested by the professional team of the US in order to ensure the quality of the product. This 3-way combo shower head by Aquastorm is a great choice when you want a great showering experience. If you like to choose a different showering experience every time, you will be able to create the exact showering program that you want using this easy-to-use the system. As well as offering you plenty of other benefits and features, this showerhead is easy to install and will provide you with consistent performance and pressure. Read on this Aquastorm by Hotel Spa Spiral Flow review to find out more about this great showerhead and why it may be the best purchase for your bathroom. And number 1 of this list, high pressure handheld. Its upgraded 2xp turbocharging technology also ensures that you get the best water conservation principle that you can work with any desk. More importantly, it has a water pause technology that we have witnessed on a few models before and silicone rubber jet nozzles that are good at preventing any form of minerals buildup. The shower head's body and wall bracket mount are also made from the most durable ABS-grade plastics with high heat resistant. And thanks to its built-in adjustable bracket water regulator, you will easily save more water and also enjoy a higher efficiency. You can buy this shower head anytime and use it since it requires no technical note to actually fix it too. All of these items are available on Amazon. I have included all the links in the description. You can check out these links for more information and latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.